How to use Vicks Vapor Rub. Stretchmark Reduction. Additionally, towards the aforementioned camphor, eucalyptus oil, and menthol, Vicks VapoRub also includes cedar plank leaf oil, turpentine oil, and petrolatum. The different oils result in the extended skin feel softer and cuts down on the dryness that boosts the visibility of stretch marks. The therapy takes 2 days. Treats nail fungus infection. Applying Vicks towards the affected nail 2 times each day will get rid of the fungus. Because the Vicks kills the fungus, the affected nail will end up dark. Carry on using the Vicks for 2 days to totally get rid of the fungus. Headache remedy. Vicks VapoRub relieves headaches because of its scent eases pressure within one's head. Apply a percentage towards the forehead and temples. Earache pain relief. While Vicks can't clear in the infection that triggers earaches, it may relieve the pain. Put some on a cotton pad and place it within the ear for couple of hrs. Alter the balls several times each day. Heels. Cracked heels. The components in Vicks help it to trap moisture. Before you go to bed, slather Vicks around the heels and arrange it set for about 5 minutes after placed on cotton socks. The following morning, wash the feet in warm water.